Welcome to this episode of Empowering Your Job Search. My name is Soozy Miller. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisory Board and my company, Control Your Career. I am a certified behavioral analyst and an executive career coach. I work with executives who feel stuck in their situation. I coach executives to control their career by giving them tools and methodology to land their next awesome opportunity and then to control their overall career path until they don't want to work anymore. So I want to talk to you about the resume title. A lot of resumes don't have a title, so you may not know where to actually put the title. So let me explain the benefits of one. So the title on the resume goes at the top underneath your contact information. And it is really the first impression that the company has of you, especially if you're applying cold, like you don't know anybody at the company and you're applying through an online portal and you're applying cold to the company. You don't know anybody there. So why is the title the first impression? Because it's at the top of the resume and it's going to be the first thing the reader sees when they see your resume. And that means if they print it out or if they see it online. The title is usually the first thing. And so that's your very first impression for this group, for the hiring team. It's your very first impression to them. So you want it to be really good. So this means you're going to want to put a title that's at least close to the job title of the position you're applying to. Now, I am a big fan of focusing your resume, or at least the top sections of the resume, to each position you apply to. It's called a focused resume, and I believe it's the most effective. And it's most effective because you are focusing your skills, your tools, your experience to the needs of the company for that specific position. So I think that's the most successful way to do this. And this means that your title on the resume matches the title of the job in the job posting. Now, if you're given the job by a recruiter or you're referred to a job by a friend or a colleague, if you hand them your resume, also you want that title to be there. If possible, ask them, what is the title of this job? I'm sure they're more than happy to give it to you, or at least it would be close. Because like I said, that title at the top of your resume is really the very first impression that you're making to who's ever looking at the resume. And you want that to be focused. You want to show that you are the right person for the job. And the way you do that upon first impression is with that title at the top. Again, it goes underneath your contact information and it goes above the summary. It's one of the things you want to focus on the resume, and it's really important for showing that you really are the person for the job. So thank you for watching today's episode of Empowering Your Job Search. I hope this was helpful to you and your career. If you need further information, just click on the link in the description and I'll be glad to talk to you. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so you get valuable daily updates. I look forward to talking to you soon.